What's the meaning of charnel house? Charnel house. Charnel house.
Charnel house. Charnel house. A charnel house is a building or place where human bones and remains are stored. The term is often associated with death, decay, and the macabre. It is often used to describe places that are filled with death and destruction, such as battlefields or disaster zones. In literature, it is often seen as a symbol of mortality and a reminder of the impermanence of life. Despite its dark connotations, charnel houses have played an important role in history, serving as a repository for the remains of the dead and a reminder of the fragility of human life.